Good morning. How are you all? Well, I woke up to a bunch of snow and ice, and now I have to freaking deal with this guy in front of me trying to pull out. He's been at it for like 15 minutes before now, and I'm just waiting and waiting. Right here, Trans Am. I don't know how long it's going to take him to try to back into that spot, but I want to get out, and there's a spot right behind me. The guy would just give up and just come park right next to me. All I got to do is straighten up and back all the way up in the spot right next to me. But he wants to sit right there and try to play back and forth on ice. Now he's getting out and look again. Maybe if I move forward. Keep on watching. Shine it over. See if we catch him ripping off any fenders, right? You can do it, Trans Am. Come on. I know you're scared. Oh my, he's just gonna smash into that white truck if he keeps going. Dude, just give up. Oh my Lord. He made it. Okay, backed up 3 feet. Backed up 3 feet. And he stopped. And now he'll pull forward again. 3 feet, and he'll just back up. Backed up a couple more feet. Stop. Then he moves 3 feet forward again. 4 feet, 5 feet. Come on, man. He's been at it for a good 10 minutes already. And all I want to do is go get coffee and go use the bathroom. Jeez, oh please. Alright, let's see if we're back in the same position again. This is future me. Sorry, but I have to butt in because I cannot stand that sound, whatever it was, going sound like cicadas or some locusts or whatever. So, he's just going to keep going back and forth. I'll spoil it, Eventually he's going to give up and he's going to back into where I'm parked. So, there you go. So, I just speed it up, so. Much view of driving. Thank God I made it a quick trip. I'm 3 miles away from my stop. About an hour till my appointment. Sometimes it's better to leave early. You don't know. I just get in the black ice, so I won't even know if the place is going to be open. I'm at my stop. Ain't nobody here yet, and it's 10 till 6. My appointment's at 6 a.m. I've seen a pickup truck drive around slowly. That was it. Drove up front. I see one car in the whole parking lot, and there's 2 businesses that are attached to this, so I had no clue who's who. Just ain't nobody here yet. Don't surprise me, because look at the road. It don't look too bad. That's basically ice. And that's, you know, a little snow dusting on top of ice. It's slick. I'm just happy I'm here. Happy. Hey, it takes a while. That means I get paid, you know, to sit here and wait for these guys. I'm here. I did my job. I got up early, extra early to make it here. Gave myself an extra hour. Thought Quick Trip didn't have a scale, so then I had to turn around and drive 12 miles back the other way in the interstate, go scale, come back all the way through the freezing rain. Thank God no one was on the road yet. Surprised no one's on the road yet. I bet there's a lot of, all the schools, you know, are called off. And this is pretty much Dallas, so there you go. Even Dallas, Texas, well, they get mostly ice anyway. Every year. All the way down halfway to freaking Houston, but didn't expect it to be 10 degrees in Dallas, Texas. 10 degrees! It's probably colder than that. It's probably like 6. I gotta go back to Joplin, Missouri today after this, so hopefully they can get here to unload me. We'll see. Till then, let's go take back to the nap again, right? I'm done unloading. It's cold. It's 12 degrees right now. Pretty much stayed outside for about an hour. My whole internal valve and that little down spigot that my hose hooks to, it was completely frozen, so I had to bust out my torch and heat her up, and finally got her thawed out and aired her off and got everything out. So, easy peasy butter greasy. Now I'm empty in this slicky road. Little ice spots here or there. Go suck driving empty. Especially when I get past Atoka or McAllister, when the roads start to get more snowy snow on the left-hand lane. So until then, we'll find out. So, it's dilly-dally, back to Love's to get our empty scale weight, so we can have scale tickets to make the office happy. You gotta make the office happy, so you can have a paycheck and be happy. So, let's roll with it, why don't we?
Take it like it. Take it like it. Do it, make it. Do it, make it. Do it, make it.
Man, fueling up. Leaving a couple of my calling cards right there, and there's a couple more I stuck. You know, I didn't peel the stickers and stick them on shit, because, you know, Loves wants to say that's vandalizing. You know, it's a vinyl sticker's not like you can go and peel off, throw it away. So now I just cut them and I just sort of stick them in, you know, where someone can pull it and keep the sticker or whatever. So if you're looking for my stickers, sometimes they're on the gas pumps, somewhere around Truckin Life or the Barbarian Trucker. So one might say one thing, Truckin Life, the other sticker might say Barbarian Trucker. Either or, you can look for them. Pretty soon I might be leaving cups or something around, you know. You want a cup? You want me to make merch? Let me know. I don't have enough subscribers though. Come on, you at least hit 100. 100, and then 1,000. And then you can start paying me, y'all. And I can start giving away shit for free. Toodaloo, I gotta finish up fueling and getting deaf and get my scale ticket. So let's roll with it. Lordy. I'm 56 miles away from Joplin. Drop this dirty trailer off, pick up a clean slop, steep water back to Joplin, pretty much Neosho, which is 12 miles south of Joplin. So stay in the frozen tundra for a little bit. Hopefully it'll warm up a little bit tomorrow. It's 1:15 and it's only still 10 degrees. I think I might have said that this morning too, but I was near Dallas. Well, see y'all in 56 miles, unless something crazy happens. We'll see. Toodle-doo, toodle-dee. See you later.
Hopefully you don't want to slip and fall on the booty doo. Cause that might hurt, you know, trying to make up some rides, come on. So I check this trailer in, so I can get a wash. Some guy's gonna have it in the morning. We'll find me a spot to dump this trailer. That's the one right there, in between the two bulk tanks. Excuse me. We got a lot of trailers here now. Got me spinning around, spinning around, spinning around. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful. Hey, back it up. Oh, I think a telephone pole or something, you know what I'm saying? It's time to go brave the cold, I guess. Tomorrow's gonna be even more fun. Because I'm gonna be doing this 6 o'clock in the morning too, but I get a load. I have to load it myself. You've seen me do the cattle slop. If you haven't, you will tomorrow. Fun times. Time to get messy. That's what it is. At least everything's frozen, so it's not going to be as messy. It's when the springtime, summertime, and fall, and everything's wet, and it's bad there. It might be bad tomorrow. We'll find out. We'll see. It's all about the adventure, man. That's why it's called Truckin Life. Barbarian Trucker Show. Get you in a minute. My load got canceled, but they messed up the trip things with cleaning the trailers, and no one called in my trailer to get washed. I was supposed to this morning. Oops, they forget like usual. But as we're getting situated with, and they call in the work order says the previous product was, say, soy oil, but then they send a bill of lading and it says tallow. It was all backwards. Well, they can't wash trailer if the work order says one thing and the bill of lading says it has to match, right? It's the way the cookie crumbles. Well, they sent in 2 work orders and didn't even send them in right. They're like backwards, and so I text message and got that all situated with the office, and my last message was, your load canceled. To be continued. I got 57 minutes left in my 14, so I'm pretty much done for the day. I mean, the clock is a-ticking. The whole on here, and the clock is a-ticking. The whole on, you know that song? I don't know. Something about the rockin'. Well, didn't want to end the day like that. Wanted to hook up to a clean trailer and get ready for tomorrow, but they're probably going to say, head to Kansas City. Pretty much almost guarantee it. To go to Cape Liberty, to go pick up a trailer, and go do something else. So until then, we're just going to sit here until we get directions. Or it's back to the yard tomorrow. We all know that noise. Oh, hi. I just wanted to say goodbye and goodnight, and, you know, it's time for relaxation station. You can tell Sally's already been working hard at her job. Look at her, grinding things. But you know what? You get in the right spot, and, you know, everyone needs one of these. Relieve some stress, like $30. Oh, come on. You know, after a long day of crazy people driving and real weird weather, it's nice to lay down and look this sucker. I can't wait till one day I get me my lazy chair, my Sally chair, Sally XXL. I hope you're having an alright day. Hope you didn't get stuck in traffic or run off the road or anything like that. Hopefully it was a nice, easy peasy day for you. If it wasn't, just remember, if you're having a hard day and your day was not easy peasy, I love you. Just remember, I love you. I'll give you a big old hugger. And remember, Jesus Christ always loves you. Whether you believe in him or not, he'll still love you till the day you die. Just remember that. With that, see you tomorrow. Toodle-doo. We have no idea what we're doing because my load got canceled and I gotta go take wash and a bunch of other stuff. So we'll figure it out. Always do.